Hello children, how are you? In today's video we are going to start the last topic of the kind of reaction, but yes, one more is left out that we will discuss after this, right? So right now we are going to tell you what is the double decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction or double decomposition reaction, or one more name is there, that is precipitation. As it is clear from the name, precipitation means the precipitates are formed, right? So you see here, but these reactions have a condition. They should follow a condition, fulfill a condition. What is the condition? That both the salts which will participate in the chemical reaction should be water soluble. They should be water soluble. Reason. The reason is there is always the exchange of ions. The more reactive element, their ions displace the less reactive metallic ions. And ions are possible only when both the salts are in the aqueous solution. So what is important? That both the salts should be in the aqueous form. Otherwise this reaction will not take place. So now see here, copper sulfate, aqueous solution, when reacts with sodium hydroxide, give a pale blue precipitate of copper hydroxide and sodium sulfate. So what is there, children? Sodium being more reactive, right, it displaces copper from here, and then copper takes position of sodium. So both there is a displacement of two metal ions, so it is called as double displacement or double decomposition reaction. And in the as a product, a pale blue precipitate is formed, so they are called as precipitation reaction also. Look at the another one. Zinc nitrate reacts with ammonium hydroxide to give zinc hydroxide and ammonium nitrate. So what happens again? Zinc being more reactive displaces ammonium ion from here and forms the precipitate. What type of? Gelatinous white precipitate of zinc hydroxide. Again displacement of two ions, so it is double displacement reaction. Third one is FeSO4 aqueous solution, when reacts with NaOH gives a dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide. Again here sodium being more reactive displaces iron from here, and iron what? Takes position of sodium. So what happens? We get the dirty green precipitate of FeOH whole twice. What happened? Both the ions have been interchanged, right? So it is the precipitate formation, dirty green, so it is precipitation reaction. And the last one you see here, ferric chloride. So here the ferric ions being more reactive, they displaces the ammonium ion. Yeah? And as a result, what happens? When ferric will come over here, it will form ferric hydroxide, ferric chloride and ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, right? So what will happen? You will get ferric hydroxide. What type of PPT? It is reddish brown precipitate. Reddish brown precipitate is formed, and we get ammonium chloride. So what is here? These reactions in which the two ions interchange themselves, that is why it is called as double displacement reaction, and as a product the precipitates are formed, it is called as precipitation reaction. And something very important is that this reaction will take place, this type of, when both will be the form of the solutions, so that they can furnish ions. Thank you children. And again, before I close the video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.